Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to import extensions from Google Chrome to Microsoft Edge. So click on this three dot, then settings. Here click on profiles. Now click on import browser data. Import browser data. Now choose what to import. So here you can select what you need. And unselect which you not need. So in this list like extensions, settings, cookies or bookmarks, you can select, then click on import. Here select import from, so select Google Chrome and select your profile in this drop down, then click on import. That's it. Now you will see all done. Extensions migration will continue in the background. Just click on done and turn on extensions. Allow extensions permission. So this is the way guys you can import extensions from Chrome browser to Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching. Please comment on this video useful for you or not. And please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.